From the crack of dawn until the sun sets, she stands tall on the construction site, hammer in hand, ready to build. In a field dominated by men, she proves that skill, strength, and determination have no gender. Brick by brick, beam by beam, she's breaking stereotypes and shaping the world one structure at a time. Her journey has not been easy. She has faced doubt, criticism, and the constant pressure to prove herself. But instead of backing down, she pushes forward. She lifts heavy materials, operates machinery, and works tirelessly alongside her team, proving that women belong in construction just as much as anyone else. Her hands are rough from labor, her clothes covered in dust, but she wears them like a badge of honor. Every road, building, and bridge she helps create is a testament to her hard work and resilience. She is more than just a construction worker. She's a trailblazer, an inspiration, and a symbol of strength for future generations. Support strong women making an impact. Like the video and subscribe for more empowering stories.